So first I'm going to go ahead and push back the cuticles and remove that dead skin. And I'm going to go ahead and etch the nail surface and apply my tip using the Kiss 30-second nail glue. And feel free to modify your tips if need be. And make sure you have enough glue in there so you will have a good hold. And you just want to hold it down until the glue fully dries. On the other hand, I already applied my tips and cut them down. So now I'm going to go over the surface of the tip to make it flush with the natural nail. And to bring in my corners for my coffin shape. Now I'm going to apply my dehydrator and my primer. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below and let me know what kind of nail tutorials you want to see. Now I'm going to go in with this Itz Secret and create my nail bed. So I'm just going to apply it in this fashion, and I'm trying to leave like a little hump at the smile line. This process wasn't that bad on my left hand, but I had a really hard time on my right hand. I'm going to do another tutorial of this, but not on my hand, so if you want to see that, make sure you comment about that below. But the goal is to try to build that up. And I like to apply another coat of the primer right before I add the acrylic. So I'm just going to do a few more, and I am currently out of white acrylic. So I decided to use these natural color tips and clear acrylic so that it will kind of give me that pink and white effect, but more of a natural color. So I'm just going to place it where I want the smile line to be, trying to leave a little hump there. And then I'm just going to fill in the rest of the nail bed with the Itz Secret, and this is the color Cover Pink. If you are not following me on Instagram, please make sure you go over and do that right now. Now I'm going to go in and file that smile line. And this is to make it a little sharper, more defined. Now I'm going in with Snow Day and Raindrops, and I'm going to apply that right at the smile line. And then I'm going to cap it with the clear acrylic. And I did go over the Mia Secret. If I felt that it was a little too bulky, I did go and file that. Now I'm just going to add some of this glitter in right at the smile line. Not on top of it, but on top of the tip right below the smile line. So here you can see I'm going to go into the clear, get a little of that Snow Day, put that there. Then I'm going to apply some of the raindrops. And I kind of went back and forth until I got them how I wanted them to be. And then I'm going to go in and cap. And with the capping, I'm going to lock in the glitter, but also cover up the rest of that tip. If you would like to purchase these two glitters, Snow Day and Raindrops, make sure you go to my website. Here you can see I'm adding the clear in. I'm making sure to go over the glitter and to add the acrylic that needs to be on the tip area, so that when I'm done, the nail will be nicely shapen. So here I'm going to add a little bit more on the tip and in the cuticle area. And you can see how the shape is coming along. So after I did that for all the nails, I'm just going to go in and file and shape them, and this is what they look like. And I'm going to apply this Rush top coat that I fell in love with, and this is what the nails look like. They are so beautiful. I was really impressed with myself. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me try something new. So come back and watch my next video, and make sure to comment below and let me know what else you want to see. Bye bye.